This kid killed him. Didn't like the way he was acting. And then Brian Danique was a punk rock kid from Amarillo, Texas. Had a mohawk and a leather jacket with some bands written on it. And he was crossing a 7-Eleven parking lot. I know, right? He needs to be murdered for that.
Okay, well, we don't have that kind of thing.
The guy threw in the leather jackets and the mohawk. So they ran him over, killed him, didn't like the way he looked. So here we go. Now I got a dick joke coming, don't fucking worry about it. Cheer you right up with a big fucking veiny dick joke. Don't worry. Tina and Brian Danique met for coffee in heaven last week, and he said, I like mine black, and he said, do you ever want to go back? He said, no. We can be who we want to be. He said, now we can be who we want to be. Matthew Shepard dropped by for dessert, and they asked Matthew, does it still hurt? And he paused and spit over the rail. It flew down to earth just like hail. He said, now we can be who we want to be. He said, now we can be who we want to be. Well, down on earth, he held her tight, she held her tight, he held him tight. And it was the morning, they cried all night. Through the window, they saw the hail. And she asked him, have we failed? He said, now we can be who we want to be. He said, now we can be who we want to be.